The automatic concrete slab cage welding production line developed and produced by Xinzhou Technology. It's a kind of automatic special welding production line which can weld the coiled round steel bar material into mesh and mesh cage after automatic processing. It is mainly composed of 16 main components such as payoff mechanism, longitudinal bar detection, straightening mechanism, longitudinal bar traction storage mechanism, stepping mechanism, welding host, crossbar blanking mechanism, shearing mechanism, dragging mesh rack, unloading mesh rack, mesh conveying trolley, mesh pulling mechanism, mesh flipping mechanism, forming the mesh rack, mesh cage forming mechanism, pulling out the cage, and other components. The welding speed is 100 rows per minute, 50 mm spacing for the welding part of the steel mesh. The maximum welding width of mesh is 2 by 450 mm. The crossbar is equipped with a magnetic swinging mechanism which has fast blanking speed and high production efficiency. It is suitable for 4 to 6 mm round steel and rebar welding. The feeding method is the longitudinal bar and crossbar wire is coiled for feeding. The production line is widely used in aerated mesh cage welding production line and steel structure prefabricated residential system. The machine adopts HMI plus PLC programming controller mode control. It's composed of electric control system, water cooling system, and gas circuit system. A full set of production lines only needs 2 to 3 people to operate in order to achieve high production efficiency, decrease labor cost, save cost for the prefabricated concrete aerated panels industry, meanwhile vigorously promote the rapid development of the assembly building industry.